As you are aware, Pembrokeshire is home to many charities that provide essential services in the community, and it's also home to several national charities that support people across the county. Now, this includes the Samaritans, and unfortunately it's been brought to my attention that there are plans to close some offices here in Wales, including the Haverfordwest office, which has been helping people since 1976. Now, should closures like this go ahead, there could be significant consequences for the NHS, for volunteers, and more importantly, for vulnerable people who use these services. So, given the importance of these facilities, what additional support can the Welsh Government offer to organisations like the Samaritans to help them protect these offices and indeed protect these services going forward?
Thank you for that and drawing attention to this. I mean, we support the Samaritans play an amazing role and have done for many decades. I would be very happy to pick this up and look at what we can do to help in terms of the news that you've given us today about their offices in Pembrokeshire.